In this video, I'll show you how to change the Bluetooth name on your iPhone. Now, the first thing that we have to do is go to settings, and from here, if we go to Bluetooth, you can see that there is no option to change the name of the Bluetooth because the name of your iPhone is actually the name of the Bluetooth of this iPhone. As you can see here, this iPhone is discoverable as David's iPhone. So in order to change that, what you have to do is just go back, and from here, go to General, then go to About, then tap on the first option, which is Name, and in here you can change the name of the Bluetooth. So I'm just gonna type in something else, and then all you have to do is tap here to save it, and now this name will be shown as your Bluetooth name, or your Bluetooth will be discoverable with this name. And that is how you can change the Bluetooth name on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.